Hey, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to make this amazing viral car poster together step by step, and if you want to be able to design cool posters like this, make sure that you are watching this video till end. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video, because your support gives me lots of energy to make more cool videos. So let's start. For this kind of posters you can choose any size you want, but for using for social medias like Instagram I recommend you to use 1080p and 1350p, and for higher quality you can adjust the resolution on 300 to having best result. For this poster we need a front view image of our favorite car. That always you should try to use high quality images to have high quality results. When we want to edit any images or change their size, always make sure that you are converting your layer to smart object with right clicking on it. It keeps their original quality and don't let them decrease while adjusting. For removing the background we have many ways in Photoshop, but the most accurate tool that I recommend you to use is pen tool if you want to do it like a professional designer. And always remember that spending more times on your designs will get you better result. So do it patiently. To shadowing, first we should make a new layer under the car layer that you can do it with holding control keys easily. For making the shadow more realistic you need to use different size, hardness and opacity of your brush and draw it carefully. Now we need to place 3 rectangles in different size behind the car and align them together and adjust them to the center. That you can do it with pressing Ctrl+A, and then we should put 3 shots from 3 different area of the car inside of our rectangles. That you can do it with clipping mask and holding Alt key while your mouse is between your image and the rectangle layer. Now is turn of placing the texts with suitable fonts and align them in best position. You can duplicate them with holding Alt key and drag, and also you can draw line with line tool from the toolbar. And here we have the final touch that includes color correction and aligning to make the result more beautiful. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video to support me and give me more energy to make better videos.